Go over a fire starter, actually called a fire plug. This is from the company FireFlame, and it looks like it's by Kinect, maybe made in Canada. So these are great for charcoal, barbecue grills, fireplace, fire pits, camping, survival, wood burning stoves, pretty much anything to start a fire. So what these are actually made out of a cotton paraffin wax mixed with tinder mixed in there with them. They're 100% waterproof, windproof. These things have a 30-year shelf life. Pretty much you could pass these things down to your grandkids apparently. Looking like ignition's burn time is 5 minutes on these things. Put these to the test. So what I'm going to do, I've already opened them up and used one, but let me show you what you get. So you see how they come in this little like wax thing right here. Watch this. You want to just tear one apart. We'll do what it says. Pull one apart. It's not the easiest thing. There's that. Or actually we'll just fray it up like that. How about that? Now I've got several here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to light one of these, and let's put these over here. Let me try to light this one, and let's see how easy it is to light up. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my little Explorer lighter here. This is actually a cool lighter. Check this out. You see that? That is an electric lighter. So let's try it electric. Oh boy, that lit fast. So that lit pretty fast on that. So we know the electric lighter will light them up, which that's pretty common. That'll light about anything. Here's what I want to do. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to dunk this in water first and try it out. And let's see if we can dunk it in water, if it's truly as waterproof as they say. So I've got a water bucket over here. Let's do that now. Okay, I'm over here by my little water bucket. Check this out. So this is completely underwater. You can see I've sunk it underwater. I'm holding it under. It actually floats. You guys see that? So this thing floats. It looks like it doesn't want to like stay under. So that is soaking wet. You can see that. Now let's take it back over here and let's try to light this thing up. This thing is still soaking wet. If I squeeze it, we're going to try to use a striker on this. So I've got a magnesium ferret rod. Let's go ahead and let's really mess that up the way they said to do it. You can see right there. So I've got this little kit here. This is actually a water purifier, believe it or not. This is Embrace Ye. How about that? And on the bottom of this thing, check this out, everybody. You get these two little things. This is cool. Y'all know what that is? That is a striking rod. You have to get the... Let's try it on this. So what I'm going to do, I've got it frayed up here. Put it right here. Whoa, that worked great. Look at that. That lit right up. I'm not going to touch it because it's already on fire. Y'all see that? Now that will sit there and burn. Like I said, I think it said it had a 5-minute burn time on these things. So you can light these things up, and that'll give you enough firepower to go ahead and light you a fire and have it all good to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the FireFlame by Kinect. Kaneki, maybe is how you would say that. Fire plugs. See y'all in the next video.